Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks for taking a few moments to check out this video. I'm going to be very brief, but I've got something exciting I want to share with you. Nexus Rewards, where dreams become a reality. Stay with me for the next couple of minutes, okay?
Excited to introduce Nexus VIP Travel. First, let's take a look at how big the travel industry is, and then how you can capitalize on it. According to 2023 statistics, cruise lines represent $25 billion a year. Car rentals, $132 billion. The airline industry is $763 billion, and hotels and resorts, $1.5 trillion. That's $2.4 trillion a year. And in this post-pandemic market, travel is exploding with growth. According to Bloomberg News, travel will reach $15.5 trillion by 2033. Imagine if you had a way to get even a small piece of that market. It could make you a fortune. Okay, what is Nexus VIP Travel? It's a members-only travel club that offers below wholesale pricing on hotels, resorts, airlines, car rentals, and cruise lines. How did we get Nexus VIP Travel? Well, a few months ago, we reached out to one of the largest suppliers of travel inventory in the world. They have contracts with over 1 million plus hotels and resorts. That's just about every hotel on the planet. 500 plus airlines, that's almost every flight available. Over 30,000 car rental locations throughout the world, and more than 50 cruise lines. That's every major cruise line out there. When we told them what we were doing with Nexus Rewards, they got excited about our mission to provide savings and real opportunity to millions of people all over the world, and that our number one priority was not company profit, but to get our members the absolute lowest prices available. So they helped us set up a Nexus VIP travel portal, which can help members get a piece of this tremendous market. Let's look at the competition. Who's operating in this multi-trillion-dollar market? First, there are travel clubs that charge anywhere from $2,500 to $150,000 a year. That's high-end, too pricey for most. Then you have a myriad of MLM and affiliate programs that charge anywhere from $25, $50, $100, even $200 a month. Not to mention the startup costs, and I've seen some charging thousands to get started. And then there's the online travel agencies, the OTAs, Expedia, Priceline, Travelocity, Kayak, Booking.com, and more are popping up every day. How do you compete with these multi-billion-dollar companies? Let me show you how we can not only compete, but beat their pricing. Online travel agencies have a lot of costs involved to run a successful business. There's overhead and expenses, payroll, benefits, insurance, advertising costs, and of course, company profits. All of that gets built into the final travel cost to the customer. We don't have any of that. With Nexus, we already have a membership business model, so we don't need more company profits. We have minimal overhead, no need for more employees, and we're a word-of-mouth company with zero advertising costs. That adds up to a lot of money. Without all these expenses, we can offer exclusive discounts and savings to our VIP travel members. Here's some real-world examples. Here's a 3-night stay in the Venetian in Las Vegas. Beautiful hotel. Priceline, Booking, and Travelocity have it all around $1,100. Nexus VIP, $882. That's a savings of $235. Here's another stay at the Biltmore in LA. OTAs are charging $695 to $732. Nexus VIP, $460. Or the Fontainebleau in Miami. They're charging anywhere from $1,100 to $1,300. Nexus VIP, $847. That's up to $470 in savings. That's crazy good. So how can people become a Nexus VIP Travel Club member? Well, we have some great introductory specials that are going on right now. People can purchase a membership. It's normally $99 a year or $149 for 2 years, but right now, people can save $100 and get a 2-year Nexus VIP Travel Club membership for only $50. That's a great deal. Next option, premium members can get a lifetime access with Nexus VIP Travel for a one-time low price of only $24.95. That's lifetime access. Choosing this option will get you the best travel prices available, and it will allow you to qualify to earn on the other travel club memberships in your network. That's even a better deal. This last option will enable you to get more premium member signups. Right now, anyone that joins Nexus as a premium member or upgrades from free to premium will get lifetime access to the Nexus VIP Travel Club for free. We suggest that you take advantage of our introductory offer, get Nexus VIP Travel now, and begin sharing it with others. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.
Okay, but there you have it. Okay, now I'm going to leave a couple of links in the description area of this video. Okay, one link's going to be to the travel program. One link's going to be directly to the entire Nexus rewards opportunity, where you can, if you become a premium member, then, and that's just what, $10 a month. Okay, $40 one time out of pocket, $10 a month. Then you're going to get the travel part absolutely free. So we've got some exciting things here. This is an opportunity where you can build residual income. You can make immediate fast start money. Okay. Also, I'm going to leave a link that's going to introduce you to my my online make money personal growth newsletter, and all of the information about the business will be in that as well. So you can go that route, okay, and get some exciting information on personal growth and development, business tips and ideas, building, all right, and get information about this business. But I'll leave the links. You decide which way you want to go. And we really do hope that you take a look at this, because it is absolutely exciting. It's easy to do, easy to share, okay? And I think I've covered everything I wanted to cover in this video. Just going to wish you a blessed and amazing, wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.